Hi everyone, I'm Estefania, the marketing coordinator at AllTheRooms. Welcome to our Compare tool. In the Compare tab, you can save the areas you want to compare and select up to 4 for detailed comparison. This is a powerful feature to analyze different markets side by side. To learn how to save an area, please refer to the description where you will find a link to a video tutorial called AllTheRooms Video Tutorial Overview tab. Now let's go back to our Compare tool. To begin, simply click on Select a saved item to choose up to 4 different areas for comparison. For this example, let's select Brooklyn as one of the saved areas. So we have to look for Brooklyn and then we select it here. Now we just have to repeat the process. We click Saved Element, Save Areas, and now we choose, for example, Boston. To add another element, we just have to click here, Add another element to the comparison, and then we repeat the process. And we choose the last option, save area, and let's take Las Vegas. Then we just have to press compare. Now you can view the comparison of the selected areas. You have the option to choose from 8 different metrics by clicking on the button below Performance Metrics. Remember, you can also select one of our default timeframes or choose a specific time frame using the calendar option. Additionally, you have the availability to export all the data as a CSV document by pressing Export CSV. That concludes our video of the AllTheRooms Explore tool. I hope you find it helpful. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the Revenue Calculator tool. We look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon. See you in the next video.